Hey everyone, welcome back to Garden Fun Times. Today we're talking about one of the most versatile and nutritious veggies, broccoli. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, I'm going to walk you through the process of growing broccoli from seed to harvest. Let's jump in. In this video, you will learn why grow broccoli, starting broccoli from seed, caring for broccoli seedlings, transplanting broccoli outdoors, broccoli plant tips and bonus tips. So if you would like to learn more about broccoli, please keep watching. Thank you. The best way to learn how to grow broccoli is to buy seeds and plant them. And try this over and over and over again until you have mastered the whole process. Doing is really the best way to learn. My recommendation is these sprouts. Broccoli seeds, Nature Jim Sprouts broccoli seeds. I recommend you buy this 8-ounce bag for $18.99. You're going to have so many broccoli seeds because when you're learning, sometimes they die or things happen, and you just need to keep trying and trying. And this is going to give you plenty of opportunities, and after this bag, you will become an expert. My link is in the description. Broccoli is a powerhouse vegetable, packed with vitamins C, K, and A, as well as fiber and antioxidants. Plus, homegrown broccoli is incredibly flavorful compared to what you get in the store. And guess what? It's surprisingly easy to grow once you know the basics. Yay! Also, with the price of everything going up, learning how to grow your own vegetables is going to save you a ton of money. Let's start with the basics, growing broccoli from seed. The first thing you need is a good quality seed starting mix. Broccoli seeds can be started indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. Fill your trays with the seed starting mix and make sure it's nice and loose for good drainage. Broccoli seeds are tiny, so plant them about 1/4 inch deep. Just sprinkle a couple of seeds per cell and lightly cover them with soil. Water the soil gently, either with a mister or watering can with a fine nozzle so the seeds don't get displaced. Place the trays in a warm area around 70 to 75 degrees is ideal for germination. Tip: keep seeds in a warm, well-lit area or use a grow light for faster germination. In 5 to 10 days, you'll start to see your broccoli seeds sprout. Once your seeds emerge, you'll need plenty of light, around 12 to 6 hours per day. If you don't have natural sunlight, you can use grow lights. It's important to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. As the seedlings grow, you need to thin them out. Choose the strongest seedling in each cell and snip the others at the base. This helps the remaining plants grow stronger. When your broccoli seedlings are about 4 to 6 inches tall and have at least 2 sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them outdoors. But before that, you'll need to harden them off by exposing them to outdoor conditions gradually over a week. Hardening off process: 1 hour outside on the first day, increasing an hour each day after that. Broccoli like cool weather, so plant them out about 2 to 3 weeks before your last expected frost date. Choose a sunny spot in your garden and make sure the soil is rich, well drained, and has a pH between 6 and 7. Space your broccoli plants about 18 inches apart with 24 inches between rows. Broccoli heads need room to develop properly, so don't crowd them. When planting, bury them up to the first set of leaves to help them establish strong roots. Give them a good watering after transplanting to help them settle in. Once your broccoli is in the ground, they need consistent care. Water them deeply, about 1 to 1.5 inches per week, and mulch around the plants to retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Pro tip: use straw or compost as mulch to enrich the soil. Fertilize your broccoli with a balanced fertilizer, or better yet, side dress them with compost. Be mindful of pests like aphids and cabbage worms. If you see them, use an organic insecticide like neem oil. Broccoli has some great companions. Planting with crops like spinach, lettuce, and beets works really well since they don't compete for space. Plus, herbs like dill and basil can help deter pests. Best companion plants are spinach, lettuce, beets, dill, and basil. Broccoli is ready to harvest when the head is fully developed but before the flowers open. You want tight, firm heads. Typically, this happens about 100 to 150 days from seed, depending on the variety. Use a sharp knife to cut the head off, leaving about 6 inches of stem. And here's a bonus tip. After you cut the main head, your broccoli plant will often produce smaller side shoots. So don't pull the plant out just yet. You can keep harvesting these mini broccolis for a few more weeks. If you have more broccoli than you can eat fresh, don't worry. Broccoli freezes very well. Just blanch the heads in boiling water for 3 minutes. Pull them in an ice bath and freeze in airtight bags for up to a year. Or you can go straight to the table. Steamed, stir-fried, or roasted, there are endless ways to enjoy homegrown broccoli. One of my favorites is simply roasting it with olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. One last tip. If you want to save seeds for the next season, let 1 or 2 plants go to seed. Broccoli will produce small yellow flowers followed by seed pods. Harvest the pods when they turn brown. Let them dry and store the seeds in a cool, dry place. And just like that, you're ready to plant your own broccoli next year. That's it. Growing broccoli from seed is such a rewarding process, and I hope this video helped you feel confident in giving it a try. If you have any questions or want to share your own broccoli growing tips, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening videos. And thank you for watching Garden Fun Times, where gardening is fun when you know what you're doing. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!